All right, another future tutorial. In this video, we're going to be talking about, have you ever wanted to assign a task to a team member without a contact or contact list or standalone? So in this video, we're going to go over how to create a contact list or standalone task to your team members in GoHighLevel. So for that, let's go and share my screen. I am in my sub account for my agency. And as you can see, there are tasks that are associated with contacts, and some of them are associated with specific team members. That's me, and some of them aren't assigned. So what we're going to do is, in order for you to create a new task without a contact or contact list or standalone, you would just create a new task and let's just put in a new task. So maybe I want to assign upload social media short form, let's just say short form video, right? And you will put in the description here, and I would assign it to. Now, my social media manager utilizes my name, but I also put support in the back end here. And so I would assign it to her, no contacts, and then schedule it for 8 a.m. tomorrow. And then I would save it. And as you can see, there is this task here specifically assigned to a team member here, contact list, without a contact. Now, if you want to go and modify it, you can go and edit this task here, click on the three dots, and now you have the ability to X this out and then assign it to somebody else, remove it, and so forth. You can also assign it to a contact if you choose to do so. That would be in the event that, maybe the client or your customer or client is in this and you want to assign it to that contact. But for the purposes of this video, we're going to do it contactless. Okay. So I'm going to cancel it. And lastly, to show all of the tasks in this list view of the ones that are contactless, then you would just pull this contact list down and then click on unassign and then apply. And then what you're going to do is you have to refresh the screen so that way that the filters will work, and then click refresh. And as you can see, this is all of the list showing all of the tasks that are contactless or standalone tasks. All right. So I hope this video was helpful for you to possibly start delegating some tasks to your team members utilizing GoHighLevel. Okay. Until next time, bye now.